Good morning, children. Welcome to our numeracy space. How are you all? Fine? Good. Let's start our session with some warm-up exercise. Are you ready? Okay. Roll your hands. Slowly. 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 Fast, 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 fast. Stop. Now shake your hands slowly. 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 Fast, 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 fast. Stop. So today, what we are going to do? Yes, today, once again, we are going to revise after, before and between numbers. So let's start. Children, do you remember what is the meaning of after number? Yes, after number means counting forward from a given number. And what is the meaning of between number? Between number means the number which comes in middle of two numbers. And what is the meaning of before number? Before number means counting backward from a given number. Now children, open page number 42 of your maths classwork book. Now children, open page number 4 to 42. Here we are going to revise after numbers. First number is 6 to 62. What comes after 62? 6, 3, 63. Next number is 6, 9, 69. What comes after 69? 7, 0, 70. Now next number 6, 6, 66. What comes after 66? 6, 7, 67. Now next number is 6, 8, 68. And what comes after 68? 6, 9, 69. Now next number is 6, 1, 61. What comes after 61? 6, 2, 62. Next number is 6, 5, 65. So what comes after 65? 6, 6, 66. Now next number 6, 3, 63. So what comes after 6, 3, 63? 6, 4, 64. Now next number is 6, 4, 64. What comes after 64? 6, 5, 65. Now children, open page number 4444. Here we are going to revise between numbers. First number is 6 to 62 and 6, 4, 64. So what comes between 62 and 64? 6, 3, 63. Next number is 6, 4, 64 and 6, 6, 66. So what comes between 64 and 66? 6, 5, 65. Next number is 6, 8, 68 and 7, 0, 70. what comes between 68 and 70? 6, 9, 69. Next number is 6, 7, 67 and 6, 9, 69. So what comes between 67 and 69? 6, 8, 68. Next number is 6, 1, 61 and 6, 3, 63. So what comes between 61 and 63? 6, 2, 62. Now next number is 6, 6, 66 and 6, 8, 68. So what comes between 66 and 68? 6, 7, 67. Next number is 6, 3, 63 and 6, 5, 65. So what comes between 63 and 65? 6, 4, 64. Next number is 6, 5, 65 and 6, 7, 67. So what comes between 65 and 67? 6, 6, 66. Now children, open page number 58. Here we are going to do before numbers. Now read the first number 5, 6, 56. So what comes before 56? 5, 5, 55. Next number is 8, 5, 85. And what comes before 85? 8, 4, 84. Now next number is 6, 4, 64. And what comes before 64? 6, 3, 63. Now next number is 7, 1, 71. And what comes before 71? 7, 0, 70. Now next number is 7, 3, 73. And what comes before 73? Yes, 7, 2, 72. Next number is 9, 8, 98. And what comes before 98? 9, 7, 97. Next number is 5, 9, 59. And what comes before 59? 5, 8, 58. Last number is 9, 4, 94. And what comes before 94? 9, 3, 93. Children, you have to complete page number 11, 12 and 13 of your maths homework book. Have a nice day, children. Bye.